Today I'm going to give you 5 tips you should know before you plant your carrots. Hi, I'm Troy Haynes and welcome to the Corn Report. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button or leave me a comment anytime during the video. Have you tried to grow carrots but they came out stunted, misshapen, or split, or just not growing at all? Well, you're not alone. Today I'm going to give you 5 tips you should know before planting your carrots. Let's get to it. Number 1. A common mistake is the wrong soil conditions. Carrots love loose, sandy, or loamy soil. The first time I grew carrots, I was very disappointed. The soil I was growing them in was too dense and had too much clay. The carrots had a hard time pushing to the soil, resulting in stunted growth. As you can see, after spending the whole summer tending my carrot patch, this is what I got. Small, teeny tiny carrots. The next year I added 50% sand to the bed and my carrots turned out beautifully. Number 2. Better carrots happen when you smash that like button and show me some carrot love. Also, carrots love poor soil. Too much nitrogen, like from fresh manure, can cause roots to be forked, split, rough, or hairy. I'm not saying they don't need fertilizer, but if you do fertilize, go easy. I like to use a well-composted fertilizer or coffee grounds. Number 3. Don't pre-germinate your seeds. The first thing a carrot seed sends out is a very long taproot. If you pre-germinate your seeds, when you plant them, they won't know which way is up, and this will cause the carrots to fork or send roots in all directions. That might result in some funny-looking carrots, but it's probably not what you're going for. Number 4, water. Your carrots need constant moisture. Letting your carrots dry out when germinating will kill the seed. And after your carrots have started to grow, if they dry out and get hit with a lot of moisture, like a normal rain, they'll split. You can help reduce this by lightly mulching your carrot bed to keep the soil moist and reducing direct exposure to the sun. Carrots also love likes, so if you want great looking carrots, please give a like to this video. And finally, number 5, carrots are biennial. That means if you want carrot seeds, you must leave some carrots in the ground till next season to produce seed. Leaving the best carrots in the ground will ensure that the best qualities will be passed on to the next generation. In the second year, after the seed head has fully ripened and has begun to turn brown and dry, cut the heads and place them in a paper bag. When the drying is complete, shake and collect the seeds for next year's crop. So that's it in a nutshell. I'd love to hear about your carrots or ideas for future videos, so please leave me a message in the comments section. I promise to reply to all of your comments. I'm Troy Haynes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and thanks for looking at my corn.